What's up, and welcome to my channel, Journey with Jessie. I'm Jessie Lee. Today's video, I am talking about my Sisterlock journey.
Everybody pay attention. This right here is my pretty girl swag. Pretty girl swag.
So, obviously, as you can see, I am feeling myself just a little bit. Got me my little Sisterlocks or whatever. Y'all, I'm so hyped. I love my hair. I'm still new to YouTube, especially with talking about my journey, especially my hair journey. I have only been locked since May of 2020. So today is January 29th. I got locked May 30th, so pretty much as of tomorrow, or by the time I edit and post this video, it will be 8 months. So we're gonna talk about the journey, honey, because there have been ups, there have been not so many downs, actually, I can say, but definitely some things about the locks that I can now talk about. And I'm so sorry for not keeping up more, but with that pandemic and everything else going on, I just trying to stay above water, you know what I'm saying? Trying to stay afloat. So wasn't even thinking about doing videos. Let's talk about it, honey. Let's see what 8 months have done for me. So in 8 months, my life has changed. Pretty much life is a lot easier, especially when it comes to getting up and going. Obviously, any type of protective style on your hair, locks, braids, a slick back ponytail, whatever, it makes life easier when you don't have to comb it every day. The cons. So for me, I am tender-headed. So in the last 8 months, I think I've had 4 reties or 5. I've lost track. But when it comes to the reties, my head is just, when she's retying for me, I always take an extra strength. I always take an extra strength ibuprofen because I'm in that much pain. And this has been my life, my entire life. So I don't want you to go off of me because I've been tender-headed since I can remember. So I never really liked getting my hair done. Like I used to get perms and all that stuff. Like, no, it's not for me. It's so much pain, and it feels like I just had a retie on Monday. Today is Saturday. I just had a retie on Monday, and so it just stopped hurting maybe a couple of days ago. So I would have to say for me that is a con, but that is a con that I am willing to take because after those 2 days it's whatever. Like I'm chilling. But I am sore. Now, headaches, I don't have headaches. It's just basically my scalp. My scalp is just like, ah. But my stylist made sure, she said, let people know that is you. It is not a Sisterlock thing. And I talked to my other friends who have Sisterlocks, and they do not have this complaint. They just say their head feels tight. So it's not so much pain. So if you're worried about the pain, I would just assess your own head and see how you do with like regular box braids or something like that. It's a similar pain that I had when I would get braids. Other con I would have to say is the shrinkage. But I had shrinkage as a loose natural. My hair, I mean, you can kind of see. Y'all, I had the worst time with camera, so I'm not going to touch my camera. We're just going to try to use technology and get a little closer here. But as you can see, I got a little bit of light. Look at that. Got a little bit of length, honey. But you can kind of see here that the shrinkage, it gets a little real. It does get a little real. But I had shrinkage as a loose natural, so this is nothing to me. But the thing I do like about the shrinkage is that I have body. So my hair has a lot of body. I can shake it. I'm a professional dancer, so moving my hair is a big thing for me. I don't think I have any other cons. I mean, I'm gonna have to like really research this and see what other people say, but I really don't have any other than that. Well, yes I do. My edges are like dumb soft. So I will say that's the first thing to to get on my nerves before my retie is my edges. They're just soft. But Styles by Camille has an amazing edge cream, and honey, that thing is slick. But long as I wrap my hair when I take a shower, wrap it when I go to sleep, I don't have to worry about the edges. And when it gets close to my reties, I usually just do like a little cute little braid and braid my hair down. So my other con would definitely be my edges. In 8 months, I can say that. All right, we can talk about the pros because I got so many pros. I love my hair. In 8 months, my life has changed. Every day is so much easier than the day before. I can now get my hair into 2 ponytails, so I can pull up like this, and I love a scrunchie, honey. A scrunchie saves my life. I had a scrunchie in my video shoot today. I'll post a picture of my outfit with my in the video. It was my friend's birthday video shoot. So I wore my natural hair. Let's see. There are definitely major differences in my hair, like the length, like I said, the shrinkage, but it's growing so consistently. I can definitely say I lost 2 or 3 locks that fell out my head during the process in this 8 months and freaked me out. But it's a part of the process, so that's fine. I can style my hair. It doesn't take long. If I want to do crinkles, I'll just do like some cornrows. I don't do nothing but spritz some water, cornroll it, and wake up the next day and just take it out and I have a little extra crinkle. But see, my hair texture is naturally curly, so it curls anyways. It's not really straight. My hair is curly. So your loctician, I guess they can tell you if your hair would look more like mine or would it be more of the straight look. I guess they have to, in your consultation or whatever, they'll let you know about. Washing my hair is fairly easy. I'm going to try to put in the video of my first wash. If it doesn't load, let's just say this. It was tragic, honey. The edges was gone. She was gone. The edges just went on to Jesus. What I did wrong was when I washed it, I took it out while it was still wet. Big no-no. Won't ever do that again, okay? But it was still easy. I take little hair bows, my daughter's hair bows. Let me get them for you real quick. These little ties right here. And I just take my hair, ball it up a piece, and I just do two twists, wrap it, and then I put the hair bow on it. And that's how I wash my hair. So I'll do a video maybe on my hair washing, like my routine. But it's amazing. I like braiding. I don't do none of that. I just make sure the ends are secure and put on a little hair tie. But you'll see some pictures my in between. So we'll do maybe like a 4-month, a 6-month. I definitely have some videos I can input. You can check that out, those videos. About my 8-month update. I'm not going to make this a super long video, but I will say I am happy. I am content. Everybody loves my hair. I get compliments I get compliments all the time, and my stylist was like, she said, oh, you're not gonna know what to do with yourself when your hair gets longer. And I'm like, I don't know what to do with myself now, because I'm already like, hey y'all, hey. And I'm over the top because it's a different type of confidence that I feel within myself. Like, it's like I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud that I'm taking care of myself. I'm taking care of my skin, my weight, which I've always done, and now my hair. Next is my teeth. And it's like, self-care is important. It is important. And Sisterlocks give me that opportunity to focus on other things outside of my hair. So if you're watching this video and you have Sisterlocks, what's up, sis? If you're watching this video and you are thinking about Sisterlocks, I say, what are you doing? Do it, girl. Or do it, man. If you want brother locks, do it. Get them locks. Because at the end of the day, I can still break this honey down and put on a wig for a show, okay? They even make lace front wigs with the ponytail. So, if there are other things that you're worried about, I would love to hear like your comments, because I want to make more videos, but I really don't know what to talk about. I want to make videos that people want to watch and answer questions. So if you do have any more questions, comments, concerns, please like, subscribe, comment, love on me. I'll love on you. Do that here. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry, I'm tired. It's been a long day. But yeah, so that's my Sisterlock 8-month update. I thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you, mean it. Bye.